In the heart of the Himalayan foothills, life moves at a different pace. Here in the high-altitude pastures, yaks roam freely, their thick fur flowing in the cool mountain breeze. For centuries, these gentle creatures have been essential to the livelihood of farmers, and the relationship between the farmer and the yak is built on deep respect. The care of the yak is no simple task. It requires patience, knowledge, and a commitment to their well-being. The farmer tends to his yaks with great care, ensuring they have access to the fresh grasses, clean water, and shelter they need to thrive in these rugged conditions. Every day the farmer inspects his herd, ensuring their health and well-being. He is careful not to overgraze the land, allowing the pastures to regenerate naturally. This sustainable approach ensures the yaks are well-fed and well cared for, while also protecting the delicate ecosystem of the highlands. The micro-communities of farmers in Nepal rely on their yaks to produce churpi, a traditional yak cheese. Made from fresh yak milk, churpi is rich in flavor and nutrients. The process of making churpi is both an art and a science, passed down through generations. The farmer begins by heating the milk to 90 degrees Celsius before adding freshly squeezed lime juice mixed with water. It continues to boil to separate the fat from liquid. The curdles are then drained and pressed to remove excess moisture. These firmer pieces of cheese are then churned by hand until they are ready to be placed in a rectangular-shaped die and pressed for days. It is quite a rigorous process, giving it the distinct texture and flavor that has made churpi a favorite snack for centuries. It's rich in protein and perfect for fueling your dog's muscles, scraping plaque off their teeth, and keeping them occupied and fulfilled. For this farmer, every step of the process, from the care of the yaks to the making of churpi, is rooted in respect for the land and the animals that sustain him. It's a way of life that honors tradition, promotes sustainability, and celebrates the deep bond between farmer, yak, and dogs. Our Himalayan yak chews are then packaged and shipped straight to your door for your dogs to enjoy the authentic recipe that has been passed down for generations. Keep your dog occupied, happy and fulfilled with a high-protein and minimal-ingredient treat. Click the Buy Now button. Your dog will thank you for it.